পড়তেন। এই দোয়াটা পড়বেন তো সবাই। বিষ্ণু ইসলাম নিজে পড়তেন সকাল।
Hello, my lovely viewers. Assalamu alaikum. Good night, everyone. Today I am going to show my how to make without copyright from the Capcut
রাসূল সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম ফজরের সালাতের পরে
apps.
সালাম
Make a
ফিরিয়ে তিনি
video, shorts, any kind of things you can do that. So basically, I started by already a Islamic video. I make it. That's why I'm trying to my now. I already show you how to start it free video, no copyright. So first I use the free template, and then after I use my own video, and then
রাসূল সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম ফজরের সালাতের পরে সালাম ফিরিয়ে তিনি পড়তেন, আল্লাহুম্মা ইন্নী আসআলুকা ইলমান
everything, and then I make it short some hashtag. I use some hashtags. Then after I put like 5 hashtag, I use it. So basically, if you want it, this is you can use the Capcut. Is very nice apps. And after you can typing like for language, you can speak properly or any kind of things, you can do that. So you can use the translate language. So I use that all everything. So after I'm done my TikTok video, then after I use my status. However, so then I come to the gallery. So gallery, I checked it already, is saved.
সালাতের পরে সালাম ফিরিয়ে তিনি পড়তেন, আল্লাহুম্মা ইন্নী
template, you can use it, but after no copyright, nothing. So then I go to the my
রাসূল সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম ফজরের সালাতের পরে সালাম ফিরিয়ে তিনি পড়তেন, আল্লাহুম্মা ইন্নী আসআলুকা ইলমান নাফিআ ওয়া রিজকান তাইয়্যিবা ওয়া আমালান। রাসূল সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম ফজরের সালাতের পরে সালাম ফিরিয়ে
and easy for everyone. If you want it, you can do that. So basically it's free, is no copyright, nothing. Islamic video or any content you make from the Capcut. So if you like video, please subscribe my channel, and if I have any mistake by speaking, this is sorry about that, because I am not well, because I am so sad about my channel, because already I did my video lot, but how can I show my video, how can I show my how can I make it video? So it's very bad news for me. Actually, I can't contain my monetization on my channel, so I am doing big struggle. So I don't know is the result what is I am going to do. So blog, I am done already. Now I am upload to the YouTube shorts. So easy for you, up to you. If you want it, then you can do that. If you not want it, but pray for me, because I am so sad, because still my channel is monetization is still content use. So basically is my real account, and my name is Mitanur, my Islamic channel Mitanur Islamic Studios. But I already lots of video, is my owner name, is my own account. So I don't know why, what should I do, what can I do actually. Sometimes I'm so bored and sad, because I can't upset, I can't do that. Okay, bye bye, see you.